Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I made this amazing salmon with a breadcrumb crust and not just that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients in a second. So we need the salmon, fresh salmon. I have here about 200 grams. I'm gonna cut in half, so just 2 servings, perfect size. Beside the salmon, I will use 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, a big generous tablespoon of garlic clove, some fresh parsley, lemon juice and lemon zest, breadcrumbs about 50 grams, and some parmesan cheese and pepper. I'm not gonna add salt because the parmesan and the cream cheese has enough. I'm gonna crush that garlic with the mortar and the pestle. I will add over it and mix it with cream cheese. Add some lemon zest over that, grate some lemon zest over garlic and cream cheese, some pepper, chop some parsley really fine with a knife and add a bit over the cream cheese mixture and a bit of lemon juice. Lemon juice goes always great with the fish. Over breadcrumbs, grate the parmesan cheese, and this is pretty salty. This is why I didn't add any other salt, but I added a bit of parsley just for color and a bit of flavor as well. Cut the fish in half, as I said. I will spread over it that cream cheese mixture that we made earlier. Sprinkle more pepper over it. Melt 50 grams of butter and add it over the breadcrumbs and mix them with that, and place them over the fish, over the cream cheese mixture. Put the fish on a cast iron pan or some dish that will go in the oven and you'll not fear that it's gonna break. So some thermo-resistant dishware that you can have in the oven, and bake the fish at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And turn on the broiler in the last 5 minutes in the oven in order for the fish to have a nice roasted color. In the meantime, I boiled some rice with just water, simple water, and I will mix it with butter and lemon juice. Look how amazing the fish is looking. So now you can serve it with that rice. Just place it on the plate. Add the fish that you roasted in the oven, baked in the oven, a bit of salad, simple salad with the simplest vinaigrette, and the dinner is served. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up to the videos that you love, find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye.